Today we're diving into the features of the robot vacuum and mop combo, a 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle dust, pet hair, and more with its impressive 1,400 pascals max suction and intelligent mopping function. This slim and lightweight device is perfect for hard floors and carpets, featuring advanced 3D obstacle avoidance and a sleek 2.87-inch design that ensures it reaches every corner of your home. With the Tuya Smart app, you can easily set cleaning schedules, adjust modes, and even control the vacuum with voice commands through Google Assistant, making it user-friendly for both tech enthusiasts and beginners. The robot offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, including Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, which maximizes coverage and boosts efficiency by 30%. Powered by a 2,500 mAh battery, it provides up to 100 minutes of runtime and automatically returns to its charging base when needed. Its advanced non-rolling brush design prevents hair blockages, while the ultra-low 60 decibel operation keeps your home peaceful, making it ideal for pet owners and families with babies. Experience the future of home cleaning with this self-charging, smart robotic vacuum that combines convenience, power, and cutting-edge technology.